Good morning to all. Today we are discussing about Unit 3 Lightning Transients. Overvoltage surges are transient overvoltage. The voltage wave having magnitude more than its normal value and remains for a very short duration are called overvoltage. The overvoltage occurs due to lightning surges are called lightning transients. There is a high rate of rise and a high peak value in transient overvoltages, which is dangerous for insulator, and hence protection is required against these overvoltages. Causes of overvoltages. Overvoltages arising on power system can be generally classified into two main categories as follows. First one, external overvoltages. Second one, internal overvoltages. These overvoltages originate from atmospheric disturbance, mainly lightning. Maximum amplitude of this voltage has no direct relationship with the operating voltage of the system. External overvoltages due to first one, direct lightning stroke. Second one, electromagnetically induced voltages due to lightning discharge taking place near the line, commonly known as side stroke. Third one, voltages induced due to charging atmospheric condition along the line length. Fourth one, electrostatically induced overvoltages due to the presence of charge clouds nearly. Fifth one, electrostatically induced overvoltages due to frictional effects of small particles such as dust or dry snow in the atmosphere or due to the change in the altitude of the line. Next one, internal overvoltages. These overvoltages are caused by changes in the operating condition of the network. Classification. First point, switching overvoltages are transient overvoltages of high frequency. These are caused by the transient phenomena which appear when the state of the network is changed by a switching operation or fault condition. The frequency of these overvoltages may vary from few hundred hertz to a few kilohertz. Example, switching on and off equipment, switching of a transformer at no load, opening of circuit breaker during fault. Second one, temporary overvoltages. These overvoltages are due to disconnection of load. Overvoltage factor or amplitude factor. It is defined as the ratio of the peak overvoltages to the rated system peak voltage. Comparison between lightning and switching overvoltages. Lightning overvoltages, switching overvoltages. It is natural phenomenon. They originate in the system itself by the connection and disconnection of circuit breaker contacts or due to the initiation or interruption of faults. Lightning overvoltages. The magnitude of lightning voltages does not depend on line design. Switching overvoltages. Switching overvoltages are appearing on transmission line proportional to the operating voltage. Lightning overvoltages. If the system operating voltage is less than 500 kV, lightning overvoltages have to be considered. If the system operating voltage is in the range of 300 kV to 735 kV, both switching and lightning overvoltages have to be considered. Next, lightning. In electrical system, lightning possesses a source of overvoltage. Second point, overvoltage caused due to lightning leads to insulation breakdown of the line insulator, resulting in line outages. Lightning discharges constitute the breakdown of a very long air gap under a strongly non-uniform field. Next, overhead clouds and the earth surface from the two electrodes and the long air column between the breakdown. The charges in the cloud and the corresponding induced charges on the earth or an earthed object below are responsible for the certain of a non-uniform electric field in the air column. Lightning phenomenon is a peak discharge in which charge accumulated in the clouds discharges into the neighboring clouds or to the ground. The electrode separation cloud to cloud or cloud to ground is very large, 10 km or more. The mechanism of charge formation in the cloud and the discharges quite complicated and an uncertain process. Thank you.